Today we have a very special game. Game is Pluck-it game. Let's unbox this game. Can't wait to play this game. Me too. Okay, little brother, let's unbox this. Oh, a chicken. Look at his face. He's funny.
I'm Mr. Chicken.
It's not a real chicken. It doesn't matter. He's so funny. Look at his face. Your turn. Mr. Chicken, you wanna sit down over here. Ooh!
This is
It's a big surprise egg.
Serena is so stupid.
Don't know what this is, but you can sit down over here.
It's your turn.
Thank you. Is this chocolate?
I know this is. This is thinking.
How do you know that?
Because I'm smart.
Let's stop talking and make this game. I'm waiting so long. It's your turn.
Thank you. What is this? Eggs.
So tiny.
Your turn.
Thank you. Well, that's the last thing. Our feathers.
Make a game.
What are the instructions?
You have to pull one feather. Have to try all the time.
Oh, so the player who has less eggs going down will be the winner.
Is it I want stick?
Too bad.
Okay, let's play.
Be careful.
That takes a long time.
My turn.
Oh! One egg has dropped! Yes! Oh, that's good. Almost.
It's a little bit difficult.
Oh! Too bad! Seven eggs?
I'm the winner, as you already know. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. I like it very much.
Me too.
Like,
Subscribe.
and share. See you next time. Bye.
Next time I'm gonna beat you.
In your dreams.